Atlanta's Hindu community rises, rallying against the brutal persecution of Hindus in Bangladesh. The message is clear. Oppression will be met with unwavering resolve and global unity. The Hindu community of Atlanta has made a powerful stand, rallying in solidarity for the persecuted Hindus in Bangladesh. They gathered in an unprecedented show of support, demanding justice for the oppressed. With anguish in their hearts and resolve in their minds, the message was loud and clear. The evil designs of the perpetrators in Bangladesh will be met with strength and passion.
My name is Dirusha. I represent the India Awareness Foundation, Hindu Pack of Georgia, a World Association of Vedic Studies, and we all trying to work together to find a common ground that we got to stop what is happening in Bangladesh. There's a slaughter, there's a genocide taking place, and unless and until Hindus come together and fight this battle, we are not able to do this. So we request all Hindus to come together and fight this battle. Thank you.
The evening vigil was marked by powerful speeches. Congressman Sean Still condemned the ongoing atrocities, the barbaric killings, rapes and lootings in Bangladesh and called on the U.S. State Department to intervene.
Hey everybody, I'm Georgia State Senator Sean Still. Some of you may have seen me from a video that I posted last week. I am calling for peace, I am calling for solidarity, I'm calling for an end to the violence of the Hindu people living in Bangladesh. There's no place for this in this world. We have to put an end to it now. I call on the U.S. government to stand up, to put their foot down, call an end to this immediately, get a new regime, a new government in place, and let's get this fixed now.
With American and Indian flags held high, the demonstrators marched peacefully along Jimmy Carter Road. Leading the charge were Dhiru Shah, President of India Awareness Foundation, Amitabh Sharma, President of GHTN, and Rajiv Menon, co-founder of COHNA Atlanta, who emphasized that this fight is not just local, but global.
A couple of hundred people already here, and we have State Senator here, State Senator Sean Still, and State Senator Sheikh Rahman, who are here. You know, and he's from Bangladesh, and both of them wanted to show their solidarity and support to the Hindu community. They have already reached out in their official capacity to the state government, and reached out to them, and they're doing everything in their capacity to help us.
The protest by Atlanta's Hindu community showed their unity and determination can light the way towards justice, and the battle to protect the persecuted minorities is far from over. Bureau Report, India Today.
You are watching India Today.